Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by removing the battery and laying the remote on a non-conductive mat so you don't cause shorts. Use a small screwdriver to open seams and inspect the PCB and battery contacts for corrosion or broken traces. This explains most failures. Once done, test the battery with a multimeter to confirm voltage and gently wiggle the ribbon cables to find intermittent connections. Make sure to photograph connector positions for reassembly. This reduces errors later and helps you understand why a part failed. Now you dive into diagnosing. Use a multimeter to check continuity across buttons and the IR LED. If your phone camera shows the LED blink, the emitter works. Clean corrosion on contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush because oxidation prevents contact. If traces or pads are cracked, reflow solder carefully or bridge gaps with a thin wire. This restores signal paths. Make sure to test each fix incrementally so you know which action resolved the issue. Finish by reassembling the remote in the reverse order of your photos, ensuring button domes and springs sit correctly so tactile feedback returns. Replace the battery with a fresh known good cell, then test every function from various distances and angles to confirm range and alignment. If something fails, focus troubleshooting on intermittent issues. Clean switch contacts, inspect and gently straighten the flex cable, and reflow any suspect solder joints. This step often fixes marginal failures and gives you confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.